Today's topic of discussion are diseases caused due to deficiency of nutrients in plants. This is the part 2 of this series. Part 1 has already been completed. You can refer to that. First of all, we are going to discuss the diseases caused due to nitrogen deficiency. Buttoning. Buttoning in cauliflower, also known as premature curd formation, is a condition where cauliflower plants develop small undeveloped curds or buttons instead of the normal large marketable heads. If you provide sufficient nitrogen fertilizer to the cauliflower plant, especially during the early stages of growth, buttoning can be prevented. Now we are going to discuss deficiencies caused due to phosphorus. Sickle cell disease in cocoa is a symptom of phosphorus deficiency in which chlorosis, that is yellowing of leaves, occurs. There is mottling, crinkling and leaf malformation. Narrow sickle-shaped leaves and can lead to premature defoliation and dieback. Deficiency can also be a cause of sickle leaf disease in cocoa. Next, we are going to discuss the disorders caused due to magnesium deficiency. Sand drown chlorosis or yellowing of tobacco plants is caused by magnesium deficiency, particularly in sandy soils and after heavy rainfall. The symptoms include yellowing at leaf tips and margins, progressing towards the base and potentially complete blanching. In severe cases, lower leaves can turn almost white and chlorotic symptoms can spread to upper leaves. Necrotic spots or dead tissue are rare in magnesium deficient leaves. Next, we are going to talk about diseases caused due to deficiency of iron. The ivory white discoloration or chlorosis in paddy rice leaves is primarily a symptom of iron deficiency. When rice plants lack sufficient iron, the leaves exhibit a pale yellow to whitish discoloration starting in the interveinal areas, that is between the veins, and progressing to the entire leaf. In severe cases, the entire plant can become chlorotic, that is pale green or yellow, and may even die. Iron deficiency is common in high pH dryland soils as iron is less available in these conditions. Iron deficiency is less common in flooded soils as the reduced conditions can increase iron availability. Since question from plant deficiency diseases has been asked in IBPS RRB SO examination, so there is a chance that it might be asked in NABARD and also in IBPS AFO examinations. This bitter pit we have already completed it in part 1. Let's see how many of you remember this particular deficiency disease. And your time starts now. You can answer it in the comment section. The correct answer is calcium. If you would have paid attention in the part 1 of the series, you would have easily answered this. Now we have the next question. This is also from IBPS RRB SO. You can see that on the left hand side you have certain indication of certain deficiency, and on the right hand side you have some crops. You have to match the following. It's a little bit complex, but let's see how many of you can do it. First one is that sugar beet is an indicator crop of zinc deficiency. This is a mismatch because you know that speckled yellow spots are formed in sugar beet when there is manganese deficiency. So remember, sugar beet can be an indicator crop for manganese deficiency. If you remember in the last video of part 1, we had discussed that boron deficiency causes browning in cauliflower and molybdenum deficiency causes whiptail in cauliflower. So by now we know that option 2 is correct. Next. Now we are left with point number 3, magnesium and copper deficiency in wheat. Magnesium deficiency causes the older leaves to become pale green with bleeding of chlorophyll. Chlorosis and necrosis of leaf margins can occur. And for copper deficiency, there will be leaf discoloration. The leaves may become twisted or curled and their tips can appear necrotic. So wheat is an indicator crop for deficiency of copper and magnesium. Since UPSC has started asking these kind of questions where 2 options are correct, 3 options are correct, so we might see these kind of questions in other examinations as well. So here the correct answer is both 2 and 3, which is option D. But these questions are slightly on the difficult side to answer. But don't worry, with enough information you will be able to tackle these questions in examination as well. What we have to do is we have to do a lot of practice. And the IBPS AFO examinations results are already out. I think some of you might have cleared. Congratulations to them. Some of you might not have. But failing an exam can be disheartening. But it's essential to remember that it's not a reflection of one's worth or abilities. So have faith in yourself and keep working hard. You will reach your destination as well. Do not worry, students. Start preparing. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Join our initiative of IBPS AFO 24/7 test series by Clarity. In this test series, you will get daily subject-wise test, multi-level question, time-based QRE practice questions, weekly full-length test, and also detailed explanation. Along with that, you will get all the current affair related agricultural questions as well. Get yourself enrolled now.